If you need to make a printable A4 design in Canva, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you all the steps you need to know, so follow me. So from canva.com, the homepage, you can go up to the top right hand side and you'll see create a design. Now once you go in here, all you need to do is type in A4 and it'll give you a bunch of suggestions. As you can see, we have a document which is A4 in portrait, we have A4 in landscape, you also have a US letter portrait and a bunch of other templates that you can go ahead and fully customize. We're going to go ahead and use the very first option just as an example. This will now open in a new design. You can go ahead and grab a template from the left hand side by tapping on design. You can scroll through the templates and styles that they have available, or you can use a few keywords to describe the kind of template you're looking for. Once you have chosen an template, you can go ahead and customize that template, and once you're done, you're going to go and click on share, download, and you can now download this and it will be printable in A4 size. Now make sure that you're changing the file type to PDF so that when it's opened to be printed, it can actually be opened on Adobe Acrobat or any other program that you use to read PDF. If this was a helpful guide, please do drop us a like and we will see you next time, folks. Peace out.